So now that I figured it out, I know what I want now. I want my electrical to start here. And then I wanted to come around, have a few outlets, come around. This be the AC and the coffee thing. And then I wanted to run through here. And that's just gonna be a light, then a switch, and then run around. And then it'll be another light and a switch, and then run around, and it'll be a socket. So that's how I want to do it. I actually got, well, I'm gonna have one here. I think I'm gonna have two, one on this end. It'll be by the welders, and it'll be probably one of those 4 ones. And then I also have one of those 4 ones here. So that way when I'm opening this side up, we could be able to have power if we need to power something. So that's pretty much how I want the power thing set up. Just wanted to give you an update on that while I'm in here right now. HogOn.